Good morning. So, what is the last class we discussed?
Templates.
Very good. I understood how to create a template. Okay, how to display the HTML page by using a template. We understood. Today we are going to see how to add a image, adding a image into the browser. So here one concept I'm going to explain how to add an image into the browser. Generally, you can use the img tag. This is the image tag, and you need to give the src, and you need to give the where the the image is located. So image location you need to give. Okay. For example, the image name is something office.jpg is the image name. So this is what we are going in the HTML. But if you are using same concept in the Django, it's going to give error. So how to resolve this error? By using the Django, we are going to understand. We use some new concept here. How to add a image into the browser. That concept I explained very clearly. Understand? Okay. So generally, how to add an image? Normally, suppose there is a page is there. By using img tag, we can add a image here. Okay. Suppose some office image is there, means it is going to add. This is very simple. This is a HTML page. But if you want to add a image in the browser through the Django, so something we need to understand here concept that is going to understand. Okay. So this concept we are going to understand how to add a image into the browser. So to add an image into browser, we use a concept called static files concept. How to use a static files, how to remember also I teach you. So no need to worry. So first what we need to do, my intention, I need to create one HTML page. Suppose I take as a home.html, home.html. This page will be there in templates folder. So templates is a folder, you know. So in templates folder, this page is there. Templates folder. And here I need to add one image. Okay, so whatever the image is there, we download from the internet and we'll add an image to the Java. Okay, so that we are going to see. To do this one, first we create a templates as usual, create a project, create application, create a templates. Up to here, our concept is ready. Now today new concept we are understanding, that is called as a image adding. Okay, so this is what we need to understand. So come on, tell me as the process. First add a project, create a project. Step one, create a project, and give the project name. And next create application, give the application name. Then configure application in settings.py, yeah. Where we need to configure installed apps is there we need to configure. Okay, installed apps equal to here we need to configure. After configuring, what we need to do, we need to create one templates folder. Okay, in the templates folder we are going to create a home.html. So in the home.html we give one heading tag, h1 tag, something welcome to adding image. Welcome to adding image, something message here. I need to use the img tag. But how to use the img tag means img tag contains two parameters, src, and next one is alt. So if the image is not found, we can like this. What happens? We are going to see how to resolve this error. We are going to see. Okay, this is a normal HTML tag, but how to use in Django? We are going to see. Okay, these steps you need to follow today. Yeah, come on, same process. I need to go to Visual Studio Code. I need to go to the new terminal. I need to go to the desktop. In the desktop, I'm going to add a new project today. So I need to go to the desktop folder, CLS. Now I am into the desktop. I'm going to create a new project. Come on, tell me the project name. Hello?
Yes, sir. Proj image.
Satyanarayan, Pawan,
Yes,
give
sir.
me project name.
Proj image. Hello. Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. No audio.
Screen is not visible, right?
No, yes, sir. Screen
Yeah.
is not visible.
Now is it?
No, sir. Not visible. Not visible.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me
Yeah.
the project. Yeah.
Proj image
Django.
hyphen admin start
Okay.
project
Yeah.
Proj image.
Yeah. Go to the file, open folder, go to the desktop and project file. Select that folder. Yeah. And we need to create, you need to go once again, new terminal.
Terminal.
Welcome screen. Create app. How to create app? Python manage.py start app. You can give the app name start app. Yeah. What is the app name? Static app. Your application is ready. Configure that one into settings.py. Static app. Okay. This is okay. Now we need to create on folder. So you need to keep in manage.py, create a folder called templates. In the templates folder, you need to create a home.html. In the HTML file, I'm going to create a boilerplate like this. And here I'm just giving one H1 tag. Welcome to images. Okay, just I'm giving this message. This one I need to configuring the views.py. Therefore, something I go for login, or I can go as a home, whatever you want. So I can take as a request input. I need a return render input is a request, and here I take as a home.html. So this home.html just now I created, I need to render. So this home I need to configure in urls.py. So come to the path, and I'm giving here as a home and forward slash. Here I can give views.home. So views is getting error because we need to import from start app, static app import now everything is ready. When I run this one, we get a whatever content is there. Welcome to images is going to display on this as well. But one more thing you need to understand: when you're using a template, we need to go for templates here. Template underscore here equal to os.path.join here, comma templates. We need to import os. This template here. We need to configure in the scope. Now everything is ready. We need to run the server. Python manage.py run server. Manage spelling mistake. Manage.py run server. Server is ready. Just you can click or copy this one and paste into any browser. Paste here and I'm running. So we get error because this home we need to give here. So welcome to images. This is a text it was coming. But I need an image here. So I need one image. To add an image, what we need to do, we need to go for IMG tag. Generally, we go for IMG tag. IMG tag contains two parameters, two attributes. One is SRC, where our image is located, and alt is if image is not found, we can give the alternative text like image not found, something. Image not found. Suppose observe here, image is not there, so we get a image not found, something like this. But I need to add an image. So how to add an image generally means we are going to add an image like this. You need to go for any Google, add an image. You take any image like office image you want to add. So office image. Save image as. So this is the AVIF file, but I will take image JPG file. So I'm looking JPG files. You can take any file you want for your business. So this is an image file. I'm taking here as an office. So where I need to store means I need to go to where desktop, project file. So in templates folder, I need to keep this one into templates folder, right? I need to save it. Okay, somewhere I just saved it. Okay. So office file is there. I'm just giving office.jpg. So let me run whether it is going to display or not. We are going to check out. Still we are not able to see that image. Okay. So there is some process is there. Okay. How to load the image means we need to go for static. Okay. Static files in the Django. Okay. I'm going to.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Website, you get a easy. So like this it will go. No need to remember. That's why it's very easy to go like this. Yeah, breaking up.
Yes, sir. Voice is breaking.
So actually, today some work I came hometown, so that is the reason.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
No
once I
problem.
back to.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I understand. So excuse me. So 2 days, okay. I'm into hometown actually. My daughter has to join to the colleges. Yeah. So
Okay.
that is the reason.